Hi everyone, just wanted to touch bases and give you an update on the recent changes to credit reporting in Australia. Before I do that though, just need to advise you that the information given in this video is of course of a general nature and doesn't take into account anybody's individual objectives, financial situation or needs. So please consider the information before you actually action in regards to your own individual circumstances. So what is a credit report? A credit report is actually a list of credit inquiries or loan inquiries that you have made over a period of 5 to 7 years. Previously, those reports contained credit inquiries from lending institutions, from telcos, and from service providers, i.e. gas and electricity. It also contained any credit payment defaults, so if you defaulted on your loans, and any serious credit infringements such as default judgments and bankrupt. So a very negative reporting system. In March 2014, we changed to a much more balanced reporting system which highlights good behaviour as well as bad behaviour. And by having the highlighting the good behaviour as well, this will give you a faster recovery from adversity and a quicker to establish a credit report. Therefore, it will cut out the need for people to actually apply for a credit card to get a good credit history. It'll be a much more balanced system and will give you the option for a better deal with credit providers. So it'll give you the option to be able to negotiate lower interest rates if you have a good credit history. Your credit report will include the type of credit you apply for, i.e. a personal loan, a home loan or a credit card. It will have the limit of that loan that you have applied for. It'll have the monthly repayment history, that you made the payment on time or it's been late, and it'll also have the existing information that's there now, so any inquiries that you had in the last 5 to 7 years. It'll have your personal details such as your name, your date of birth, your address, your previous address, your employer, your previous employer, and also your date of birth, along with any companies that you may be director of. And your Vita score will change from month to month. This is because the banks will report to the credit agency on a month-to-month basis. A good thing is that any defaults that you have at the moment for $150 or less will be removed. And you can see here by the little graph that I have, that's just an example of your score ratings. So your score rating will be from 0 to 1200, and your credit history, your good credit history and your bad credit history will move that score on a month-to-month basis. So in this example here, you can see that they're slightly above average. Now, if you have your credit card, personal loan or home loan payments and you're 5 days past due, then this could be recorded as a late payment and it will stay on your report for 2 years. Currently the 5 days is under review and they're trying to change that to 14 days. A missed payment of $150 or more and over 60 days overdue may be listed as a default, and that will stay on your report for 5 years. But look, please note that the banks do actually have to try and recover those funds from you in another way, i.e. negotiate with you for extending those payments out or the loan term out. So if you do have problems with your payments, please contact your bank and negotiate. Don't stick your head in the sands. The banks will talk to you and try and work something out with you. If you wanted to obtain a copy of your credit report, you can also do that from this listing here. I will post this up with the video. Hopefully you'll be able to write that down. But of course, if you do miss it and you would like to have a copy of your credit report, please contact me on these details here. So my name's Gail McTaggart. The phone number I'm on is 0414 904 589, and of course my email address is there for you as well. Hope this information was helpful for you. Have a great day.